Now it's time to tie all of our anchor knowledge together. First, we're going to assess each one of our pieces, but right now we're building a belay anchor. That tells us we're going to need more than just one. One anchor is suitable for a lead fall, for directional, but when we're going to belay up our partner, we really want to meet the UIAA standard of 25 kilonewtons or greater. To do that, first, I have assessed these individual pieces, and they are all either 3 points based on the stopper or 4 points based on our assessment of cams. The next thing we're going to do is we need to build this into a coherent, safe belay station. I'm going to show you how to do that with a Cordalette. Cordalettes are like the duct tape of the anchor world. You can use them for everything and they're incredibly versatile. What I'm going to show you is the pre-equalized anchor setup. First, I'm going to make a clove hitch near my knot. This is a closed Cordalette, but this clove hitch is going to help me out by doing a couple things. But the most important thing it's doing to me is isolating this knot up and out of the way of where I'm going to have my master point. The next thing I'm going to do is take the strand that's coming off, I'm going to clip into my second piece, and then into my third piece. Now, when I reach in between my anchors, you'll hear a lot of climbers call these legs, because these will form individual legs of the anchor system. So right now, I am holding these 3 legs, and I'll show you what I mean by legs. You have a leg here, a leg here, and a leg here. They're all extending to this point. But now for us to make this pre-equalized and to make this a redundant system, I'm going to orient this in the direction of pull. So because we're here on the ground, I'm going to pretend that my climber is coming up from the ground or straight down. However, I do want you to understand that if you're on a ledge, sometimes your master point may need to be changed and oriented to a different place. And you can do that, but I want to show you this back down here, so I'm going to move the legs in orientation of pull down this way, and I'm going to tie a knot. You can tie several knots here, and it's not going to change the name of this anchor setup. You could do an overhand on a bite, a BHK, a figure 8, a figure 9, well heck, even a figure 10. But it's all going to give us the same type of anchor, which is a pre-equalized setup. When we introduce this knot here, which I have chosen a figure 8, I have been given a master point, and it's oriented in the direction that the climber is going to be coming. So this is the master point, the pre-equalized knot, 3 individual legs.